All right, so we're talking about 4.5 today. So writing out a function rule. So before we start, pause the video and answer these two warm-up questions. All right, so the first one, we had x is 10 less than 13. So if we're going to write that out, the is part of their equals. So x is 10 less than 13. So 13 minus 10, or x is 3. Same idea with the next one. We have the is, that's your equals. So y equals 4 more, so it'd be plus 4. Then the product of 3 and 5, so it'd be 3 times 5. So you want 3 times 5 plus 4, which then is 15 plus 4, so y equals 19. All right, so same idea now, except we're writing an equation instead of an expression. So we're going to have two variables in here. So we have the value of x is, so here's our equals 2. So x equals 5 more than, so plus 5, the value of y. So we'll get x equals y plus 5. I'll do another example. So if the number of cats at a vet is, so let's say the number of cats is c. So c equals, or c is, more than twice the number of dogs. So x is 4 more than, so plus 4, twice the number, so twice would be 2 times, we'll say d is dogs, so 2d. So you write the number of cats is 2d plus 4, or 2 times the dogs plus 4 more. All right, so what do we need to remember when we're writing these out? What are some keywords? So sum means adding. Difference is subtracting. This is review from chapter 1. Product is multiplying. And quotient then is dividing. And is your equal sign. So a word problem. Here, Mr. Lucan used to drop his dog off at a kennel while he's away on vacation. The kennel charges $25 per day per dog for the dog, as well as a $15 fee to get the dog a bath before and after they're dropped off. So I want to figure out what's the equation for the total cost of the dog. So we know we're going to add some 15 on the end, but then every day we're going to add 25. So we'll say D is the days. And let's say that C is cost. So the cost is going to be 25 times every day it's there plus 15. So if Mr. Lucan's going to be gone for 7 days, how much does it cost? Well, we can plug in 7. So 25 times 7 plus 5, and that will equal 190. Then if we want to decide for 14 days, you just have to plug in 14 plus 5, and you'll get $365. So one more example here. We have a rectangle is 6 feet longer than it is wide. So let's say that width we'll call x, and then it's 6 feet longer on the length. So I want to write out an equation here for the area. So remember, area is length times width. So if we plug our information in, we have x times x plus 6. So if we want to figure out what is an area with a width of 3 feet, well, we have 3, and then 3 plus 6, which is 3 times 9, or 27 feet squared. And that's it. So then go on to Math Excel and do the 3.5 assignment.